Welcome. In this video, we're diving into Core Web Vitals. Understand Google's essential performance metrics for modern web development. Core Web Vitals focus on three key aspects of user experience: loading, which refers to how quickly content appears on the screen; interactivity, which measures how quickly a website responds to user input; and visual stability, which ensures that elements on the page don't shift unexpectedly. Core Web Vitals are a specific set of factors that Google considers important for a web page's overall user experience. These vitals are part of Google's page experience signals, along with factors like mobile friendliness, using HTTPS for security, and avoiding intrusive ads that block content. The three core web vitals are: largest Contentful Paint or LCP, which measures loading performance; first input delay or FID, which measures interactivity; Cumulative Layout Shift or CLS, which measures visual stability. Largest Contentful Paint or LCP measures loading performance by tracking the time it takes to render the largest content element visible in the viewport from when the user requests the page. The largest element is typically an image, video, or a large block of text. For a good user experience, strive to have an LCP of 2.5 seconds or less. A score between 2.5 and 4 seconds needs improvement. Anything above 4 seconds is considered poor. Common elements that affect LCP include images, video elements, large blocks of text, and background images. First input delay or FID measures the time from when a user first interacts with your site, such as clicking a button or tapping a link, to the time when the browser is able to respond to that interaction. It quantifies the interactivity and responsiveness of a page. To ensure a good user experience, aim for an FID of 100 milliseconds or less. A score between 100 and 300 milliseconds needs improvement. Anything above 300 milliseconds is considered poor. Common causes of high FID include heavy JavaScript execution, long tasks that take more than 50 milliseconds, large bundle sizes, and third-party code. Cumulative Layout Shift, or CLS, measures the visual stability of a page. It quantifies the amount of unexpected layout shifts that occur during the entire lifespan of a page. Layout shifts happen when visible elements change their position, creating a frustrating user experience. For a good user experience, aim for a CLS score of 0.1 or less. A score between 0.1 and 0.25 needs improvement. Anything above 0.25 is considered poor. Common causes of layout shifts include images without specified dimensions, dynamically injected content, web fonts causing flashes of invisible or unstyled text, and actions waiting for a network response. Several tools can help you measure Core Web Vitals. Lighthouse is an automated tool for improving the quality of web pages. It provides lab and field data analysis, a performance scoring system, and actionable recommendations. PageSpeed Insights shows Core Web Vitals performance for both mobile and desktop devices using real-world Chrome user experience report data. It offers real user monitoring, mobile and desktop metrics, and historical performance data. Chrome DevTools are built-in browser tools for real-time performance monitoring and debugging of Core Web Vitals. They offer a performance timeline, network analysis, and layout shift debugging. Search Console lets you monitor Core Web Vitals performance across your entire site, with detailed reports and trends. There are several techniques for optimizing your website for Core Web Vitals. For image optimization, use appropriate image formats, compress images, use responsive images with the Circsit attribute, and implement lazy loading. To optimize critical CSS, inline critical styles in the head of your document, and defer loading of non-critical CSS. For JavaScript optimization, use code splitting to break your JavaScript into smaller chunks, and use web workers to offload heavy computations to background threads. Core Web Vitals have a direct impact on search engine optimization. Improved Core Web Vitals can lead to improved mobile rankings, better crawl efficiency, enhanced user experience signals, and a boost in mobile-first indexing. These improvements result in business benefits such as increased conversion rates, reduced bounce rates, better app performance, and improved user satisfaction. Therefore, optimizing core web vitals is crucial for achieving better search rankings and improving user experience, ultimately leading to business success. To effectively manage core web vitals, implement continuous monitoring and reporting. Use the Web Vitals library to measure and report metrics in real time. This library allows you to monitor CLS, FID, and LCP, and send this data to your analytics platform. Track your core Web Vitals metrics in real time, and set up alerts for when they fall below target thresholds. This proactive approach ensures that you can quickly identify and address any performance regressions. Here is a checklist for ensuring core Web Vitals success. Optimize images with proper sizing, formats, and lazy loading. Implement critical CSS and defer non-essential styles. Use code splitting and dynamic imports for JavaScript. Reserve space for dynamic content to prevent layout shifts. Set up continuous monitoring and alerting systems. Remember, aim for an LCP of 2.5 seconds or less, an FID of 100 milliseconds or less, and a CLS score of 0.1 or less. Optimizing core Web Vitals leads to improved user experience, higher search rankings, increased conversions, and better overall business performance. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.